One thing that you might want to be aware of is the difference in how you can interact with PDFs between the Blackboard app on your phone and the Blackboard website on your phone. So first, let's take a look at the Blackboard app. Look under Content, and we're going to look at some of our PDF documents that we have here. You'll notice that when I open up one of these, I'm able to pinch and zoom, right, to see the text, and that of course provides a left and right horizontal scroll, which is a little annoying and makes it difficult to read. I can, however, export it into other applications that I have on my phone, like the Acrobat application. This unfortunately isn't, very accessible. It's a bit difficult to handle. However, if you do take advantage of the actual website version of Blackboard, there are some accessibility features that are worth knowing about. So if I go to that same course and go into my content area here, go into my documents, and then take a look at my PDFs that I have here, you'll notice that there's a little download button next to each of the PDFs. When I click on that, I'm able to choose a wide variety of formats that are alternates that actually might work a bit better on my phone or in my kind of more mobile circumstance. So for example, if I open up the HTML version on my phone, you'll see that it's actually a lot easier to read, and I can take advantage of my browser settings, which allow me to zoom in and see the text at different sizes. So that can be really handy. In addition, I can also choose some other features that are here, including the e-publication, which I've actually already downloaded on my phone, so I'm just going to open that up. I have an iPhone, so mine's opening up inside of iBooks, so I can take advantage of all the features that I like about iBooks. A little bit more of a book-like reading experience. I can change the font size and things here as well. And then finally, I can also try that MP3 version, which is kind of nice.
Title: Preventing Vicarious Trauma. What counselors should know when working with trauma survivors. Begin heading Level 2. Preventing Vicarious Trauma.
You'll notice that it works a little bit more like a podcast. There's not as much search capability, but there is tagging, and it does indicate what's a heading versus what's paragraph content, which can be really helpful. You could also open up or move that MP3 into other software or applications that you have on your phone that might provide a better reading experience, or listening experience rather. And finally, there's also this Beeline reader that you can choose from. And if I again go into that download button and I choose the Beeline reader and open it up on my phone, you can see that there's a few different color combinations that you can use. This happens to be the kind of bright blue to red version, but this can help you not lose your place on the line. So it has different colors that are starting and ending the line, so that you can usually follow using a gradient from one end to the other. So that can be helpful for folks who might lose their place a lot. Again, this opens up in a browser, so you are able to increase the font size and what have you here.